Hello everyone, I'm Chirag and this is Saman. We are from Excel Public School, Mysore. Corrosion of ferromagnetic structures such as RCC roof slabs and underground metal pipelines poses a serious challenge to infrastructure safety and sustainability. Over time, these ferromagnetic structures can rust and get weaker. This can lead to water leaks, cracks, or even dangerous collapses.
Traditional inspection methods such as excavation and ultrasonic testing are expensive and invasive. We interviewed an engineer who works in underground piping infrastructure sector to get a more detailed account of the real-world challenges. He highlighted that most faults remain invisible until they escalate into serious issues such as pressure loss, water contamination, or pipeline collapses.
So we asked ourselves, can we make a simple and affordable device that can detect or even predict rust and other damages early in such structures? That's how MADGuard was born.
MADGuard stands for Magnetic Anomaly Detection Guard. It's a smart portable device that detects changes in the magnetic field of metal objects. It uses MPU 9250. This sensor measures the strength of the magnetic field around it.
When MADGuard moves over a healthy metal surface, the readings stay steady. But if the sensor passes over a rusted or damaged part, the readings change sharply because rust alters the magnetic properties of the metal.
Along with the magnetometer, we also use a moisture sensor to detect dampness or water seepage in concrete and a gas sensor to detect gases released during corrosion.
All these sensors are connected to a Node MCU microcontroller which processes the data and lights up an LED when a fault is detected. It can even send the data to a dashboard through Wi-Fi for real-time monitoring.
MADGuard can be used in many ways. It can scan underground pipelines, check RCC roof slabs for water damage, and even be mounted on a rotating mechanism to scan around large pipes.
It's scalable because the same design can be adapted for small home structures or large industrial networks. It's feasible because all components are low cost and easily available in the market. And it's novel because it combines magnetic, gas, and moisture sensing into one simple, predictive maintenance tool.
Importantly, it's useful because it helps us detect problems before they turn into disasters, saving money, time, and lives. With MADGuard, we are taking a step towards safer and more sustainable infrastructure, a small device with a big impact on how we protect our world from corrosion.